this video, we'll quickly explain over 100 Adobe apps and services. Watch till the end, and you'll master them all fast. From Photoshop to Adobe Firefly, we've got the full Adobe ecosystem covered.
Adobe Photoshop is the industry standard for image editing and compositing. It's used for everything from touching up photos to creating digital art and graphics. Known for its powerful layer-based editing and retouching tools, Photoshop lets artists transform images in endless ways. One standout AI feature is Generative Fill, which uses Adobe Firefly to add or remove content based on a simple prompt. Photoshop remains the go-to for bringing creative visions to life.
Adobe Lightroom is the photographer's digital darkroom and organizer. It excels at managing large photo libraries and making non-destructive edits to RAW images. Photographers use it to quickly adjust lighting, colors, and apply presets across many shots. A key AI-powered feature is its Select Subject and Sky masking, which automatically targets specific areas for editing. Lightroom streamlines the photo editing workflow, making it easy to polish and perfect images with professional consistency.
Adobe Illustrator is the go-to tool for creating crisp vector graphics, ideal for logos, icons, and illustrations that need to scale without losing quality. Unlike Photoshop's pixel-based approach, Illustrator focuses on clean lines and shapes, perfect for branding, packaging, and typography. A powerful new AI feature is text-to-vector graphic. Just type a prompt like a futuristic robot, and Illustrator generates editable vector art for you. It's precision, flexibility, and now AI-powered creativity.
Adobe Audition is a professional audio workstation for recording, editing, and mixing sound. It's used to clean up dialogue, remove noise, and add effects for podcasts, videos, or music. Audition's powerful tools help you refine audio tracks to broadcast quality. A clever AI-powered feature is auto-ducking, which automatically lowers background music when dialogue is present, saving editing time. From noise reduction to multi-track mixing, Audition ensures your audio sounds its best.
Adobe InDesign is the industry standard for page design and layout, used to create everything from magazines and flyers to ebooks and reports. It excels at combining text and images into elegant multi-page designs with precise typography. Publishers and designers rely on InDesign's master pages and styles for consistency across documents. A smart AI feature, Content-Aware Fit, automatically crops and positions images for the best composition. InDesign makes publishing professional quality documents efficient and creative.
Adobe Premiere Pro is a powerful video editor used by YouTubers and Hollywood filmmakers alike. It's built for precision cutting, color grading, and adding titles or effects to turn raw footage into polished stories. It even integrates with Adobe After Effects for seamless post-production. One smart AI feature is Auto Reframe, which instantly reformats videos to vertical or square, keeping key action in frame. Premiere Pro makes video editing a smooth, creative process.
Adobe After Effects is the go-to for creating motion graphics and visual effects. Artists use it to animate titles, create eye-catching transitions, and composite realistic effects like explosions. It works like Photoshop for video, using layers and a timeline to blend elements seamlessly into scenes. A standout AI feature is Content-Aware Fill, which magically removes unwanted objects from footage by filling in the background. After Effects brings Hollywood-level visual effects to your desktop.
Adobe Media Encoder is the tool that converts your videos into all the formats and sizes you need. It integrates with Premiere Pro and After Effects, letting you queue and batch export files while you keep working. Media Encoder offers a range of presets for YouTube, mobile, or broadcast to get great quality without technical guesswork. It even taps Adobe Sensei to pick optimal settings, making the final rendering step efficient and reliable.
Adobe Animate is a 2D animation tool for creating cartoons, interactive content, and web animations. It builds on the legacy of Flash, letting artists bring characters to life with motion and interactivity. You can animate frame by frame or use tweens to smooth out movements. A neat AI-assisted feature is automatic lip sync, which matches a character's mouth to spoken audio instantly. From simple web banners to full cartoon episodes, Animate makes animation creation more accessible.
Adobe Character. Animator lets you animate 2D characters in real time by acting out the movements yourself. Using your webcam and mic, it tracks your facial expressions and lip syncs your voice so your character mimics you instantly. It's perfect for live cartoon avatars or quickly creating dialogue scenes. An impressive AI-driven feature is the face tracking, which recognizes your expressions to animate the character automatically. Character Animator makes animation as easy as acting.
Adobe Substance 3. D-Designer lets you create custom 3D textures and materials with a node-based system. Use it to craft everything from realistic wood and metal to exotic sci-fi surfaces, with every detail tweakable. It's procedural, so any change updates instantly across the material. Substance Designer even has an AI boost. Generate a base texture from a simple description, then refine it with nodes. It's the go-to tool for limitless material creation.
Adobe Substance 3 D-Modeler is a sculpting tool that lets you create 3D models as if shaping clay. You can design in virtual reality or on desktop, using natural hand gestures to form shapes. It's great for concept art and prototyping because it makes modeling intuitive and fluid. With Modeler, 3D artists can explore ideas quickly in a tactile way, then bring those models into other apps for painting and rendering.
Adobe Substance 3. D-Sampler converts images into 3D materials in minutes. Take a photo of a surface. Sampler will generate a seamless, realistic texture from it automatically. It's perfect for quickly creating custom textures without hand painting. One standout AI feature is text-to-texture. Just type a description of the material you want, and Sampler generates it for you. 3D artists get unique materials fast, which speeds up their workflow.
Adobe Substance 3D Painter is like Photoshop for 3D models, used in game and film production to paint textures directly onto 3D objects. You can apply materials and weathering effects, like rust or scratches, in real time and see results instantly. One AI-driven feature is automatic UV unwrapping, which generates the necessary texture maps so you can start painting without tedious prep. Substance Painter makes creating detailed, realistic textures faster and easier for 3D artists.
Adobe Substance 3. DStager lets you arrange 3D models into realistic scenes and render high-quality images. It's great for product mock-ups or concept art, allowing you to place objects, apply materials, and adjust lighting easily. A new AI feature generates custom backgrounds from a simple text prompt, so you can add the perfect backdrop to your 3D scene instantly. Substance Stager helps designers showcase 3D assets in lifelike settings without complex setup.
Adobe Aero lets you create augmented reality, AR, experiences without coding. You can place digital 3D objects, animations, or text into the real world and set interactions like triggers and behaviors through an intuitive interface. Aero uses your device's camera and sensors to anchor content realistically in physical space. It's great for building interactive AR scenes for art, product demos, or educational content, blending digital creativity with the real world.
Adobe Fresco is a digital painting app that makes drawing on a touchscreen feel natural. It offers realistic live brushes that simulate watercolor and oil paint, blending and bleeding like the real thing. Fresco also has vector brushes for crisp lines that stay sharp at any size, so you can combine painterly effects with clean illustrations. It's perfect for artists sketching on a tablet, bringing the feel of canvas and paint into the digital world.
Adobe Capture is a mobile app that turns the world around you into creative assets. It can extract color themes from a photo or turn a sketch into a crisp vector shape. A standout AI-driven feature is font identification. Snap a picture of an interesting typeface, and Capture suggests a similar font from Adobe Fonts. Everything you capture auto-syncs to Creative Cloud, ready to use in Photoshop, Illustrator, and more.
Adobe Express is an easy design app for creating social posts, flyers, and even simple videos. Start from a template and drop in your text, photos, or video clips to get a polished result in minutes. It also offers AI-powered quick actions, like removing a photo background with one click or resizing your design for different platforms. Adobe Express is perfect for content creators who need great visuals without the complexity of pro software.
Adobe Photoshop Express is a mobile photo editor that brings a touch of Photoshop to your phone. It's perfect for quick edits, crop, adjust color and lighting, and add filters in a few taps. One handy AI-powered feature is the spot healing tool, which lets you remove blemishes or even unwanted objects from a photo automatically. Photoshop Express makes enhancing and stylizing your photos easy, so you can share polished images on the go.
Adobe Firefly is Adobe's generative AI that creates images from a simple text prompt. Just describe an idea. For example, a medieval castle at sunrise. And Firefly will create unique pictures to match. It can even stylize text into different looks. Firefly is integrated into Creative Cloud apps, powering features like Photoshop's generative fill and Illustrator's text-to-vector graphics. It's designed to speed up your workflow and help you brainstorm visuals with AI assistance.
Adobe Stock is a vast library of royalty-free images, graphics, and videos ready to use in your projects. Instead of making visuals from scratch, you can find a high-quality photo, illustration, or template and license it for your design. Adobe Stock even uses AI to help you find the perfect asset, search by keywords, or use a similar image to get matches. It's like having a world of creative content at your fingertips.
Adobe Fonts is a library of thousands of fonts included with Creative Cloud. Browse and activate any font with one click, and it instantly becomes available in Photoshop, Illustrator, or InDesign. No manual install needed. Adobe Fonts even uses AI to suggest similar fonts and smart pairings, taking some guesswork out of choosing typography. It ensures you always have the perfect typeface at your fingertips for any design.
Adobe Color helps designers create and discover harmonious color palettes for any project. You can experiment with different color combinations or let it suggest colors that look good together. A standout feature is extracting a palette from an image. Upload a photo and it automatically pulls out colors that work well as a scheme. Adobe Color even checks contrast to ensure your text stays readable. It makes choosing effective, beautiful colors much easier.
Behance is an online community for creatives to showcase their work and find inspiration. Designers, illustrators, photographers, anyone creative, share projects to build a following and get feedback. You can browse by creative field, follow your favorite artists, and see new design trends. Behance also uses AI to personalize your feed, suggesting content based on what you appreciate. Many people get discovered or hired through Behance, so it's a great place for exposure and inspiration.
Adobe Portfolio lets creatives build a personal website to showcase their work without writing code. Just choose an elegant template, add your images and projects, and Portfolio takes care of the layout, making sure it looks great on any screen size. It also syncs with Behance, so you can import projects directly from your profile. In no time, you'll have a professional-looking portfolio site to share your creative work. No web developer needed.
Frame.io is a cloud platform for video review and approval. Upload your edit, share a link, and collaborators comment on specific moments in the video, meaning feedback is tied to frames. Frame.io keeps all versions and comments organized in one place, eliminating email chains. It also integrates with Premiere Pro and After Effects, so you can address feedback directly in your editing timeline. By centralizing the process, Frame.io makes post-production faster and more efficient.
The Acrobat family handles every PDF task. Acrobat Pro is the full editor. Acrobat Standard covers everyday create and sign. Free Acrobat Reader lets anyone view and annotate. AI Assistant answers questions and summarizes. PDF Pack and Export PDF handle quick conversions. Acrobat Sign adds legal e-signatures. Adobe Scan turns paper to PDF on mobile. and Acrobat Pro 2024 offers a perpetual license. Whatever device you're on, there's an Acrobat workflow built for it.
Adobe's e-learning lineup starts with Adobe Connect for live virtual classrooms, Presenter Video Express for quick webcam plus slides recordings. Modern Captivate builds responsive courses fast, while Captivate Classic keeps legacy projects alive. And Adobe Learning Manager hosts, tracks, and gamifies training. Together, they cover creation, delivery, and analytics, helping educators and businesses craft engaging learning experiences, nurture skills, and measure results inside a single Adobe ecosystem.
Adobe's Marketing and Commerce Cloud packs Gen Studio for AI-first content, Experience Manager sites and assets for Pages and DAM, Real-Time CDP for live profiles, Journey Optimizer, plus the B2B edition for on-the-spot orchestration, the Analytics Suite, Product Analytics, Mix Modeler, and Customer Journey Analytics for insight, Marketo Engage, Campaign, Workfront, and Commerce to automate marketing and sales, and Target, Advertising, Audience Manager, Experience Platform with Gen AI and AI Assistant to personalize every touchpoint.
Adobe ColdFusion is a platform for building web applications quickly using CFML ColdFusion markup language. It lets developers create dynamic websites and APIs with less code, simplifying tasks like connecting to a database or processing form data. ColdFusion provides many built-in developers would normally code from scratch, which means projects can be built faster. It also supports modern needs like RESTful APIs and includes strong security tools by default.
Adobe's print imaging stack guarantees on-screen designs match the final page. PostScript provides precise page description across presses. Design to Print links artists to merchandise production for profit. PDF Print Engine renders complex transparency and color flawlessly in commercial workflows. An embedded print engine brings that fidelity to consumer devices. From enterprise press to desktop printer, Adobe Tech keeps layouts, colors, and fonts consistent. What you see is exactly what gets printed.
For complex documentation, Adobe offers FrameMaker to author long, structured manuals, Cloud-Native Experience Manager guides as a CCMS for component content at scale, RoboHelp to build modern help centers with RoboHelp Server hosting and tracking them, FrameMaker Publishing Server automating high-volume output, and the Technical Communication Suite, which bundles everything with e-learning and analytics links. Together, they streamline writing, managing, and publishing technical content to any format.
Thanks for watching our Adobe Deep Dive. If you learned something, please tap like so more creatives find it, hit subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss a shortcut, and share this video with a friend who loves design. In the comments, tell us which Adobe app you use most and vote for our next deep dive. All Google's products and services, all Autodesk's products, all Apple's Creative Suite, or another ecosystem. Your feedback drives the channel. See you in the next breakdown very soon.